This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company. How can we, as project managers, establish credible plans under uncertainty and a limited time frame? Surely having a detailed and accurate plan would be perfect. The problem is that while the short term tends to be relatively well known, the long term is blocked by a cloud of uncertainty. For example, during a project set to engineer electronic devices, the team may not have enough information to plan and detail the development phase until the design phase is finished. Waiting until all the information is available, as comfortable as it sounds, is naturally unacceptable from the management and customer point of view. The solution is to plan progressively. Progressive elaboration is another key characteristic of a project. It represents the process of providing greater levels of planning detail as the project moves toward completion, and as more and better information becomes available. The concept of progressive elaboration might not be intuitive, as people often feel more comfortable working with a detailed plan. However, in a project environment, progressive elaboration is the cornerstone that enables the project manager to plan, despite the lack of information. Let's look at some examples of progressive elaboration. Product requirements can be detailed in the beginning of each new project phase, as team and customer increase their level of understanding. A breakdown of the work required to complete a specific product component might only be prepared after contracting an external supplier. To plan the next few weeks, the team can decompose work packages into detailed activities. A quality metric might only be detailed when more precise product information becomes available. The human resource management plan can be revised at the end of the design phase to detail resources needed, along with the skills required. This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video interesting, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.